What do you think, bud? Get a little Tuesday turn track action?
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Yeah, look at
Damn.
it zipping all the way down. See it?
Oh, God, dang.
Should I wear my goggles?
Oh, well, it's dusty as shit, so yeah. Or you won't be seeing nothing.
I fucking disinfected my helmet.
Did you?
Washed it.
I know, I gotta pull.
Lunch. Last time we rode.
Did those got the easy pop in, like sides and stuff? Yeah, that's one thing I like about. I had to just break down and buy a good helmet, dude. That's, I mean, I spent like, I think this thing was like 600, but it's worth it, man. This thing's so comfy, dude.
I need to spend the money on a helmet.
It's that, where the money I will spend it is helmet and boots.
Yeah.
Other than that, dude, well, I guess pants now too. Jesus fucking Christ. Now I stopped by Mid-10 and got these. That place is robbery, bro.
Got the other day?
Yeah, no. I stopped by today and grabbed these. You know how much these motherfuckers were?
$100.
170.
Oh, 107?
70.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought you said.
Yeah, 170, dude. I was like, y'all.
You don't probably need gas because you had
Yeah.
it for 3 minutes.
Bitch, don't worry about it. Donnie, you could have picked this fucker up by yourself.
I had boots.
Well, get up there. I'm not getting up there. Put them broke ankles to work, dude. Them things are metal, man. Them hold up better than mine.
Shut up.
Send that motherfucker to collection. Bye, 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 bye. Whoa, look out there, bud. All right. Gonna do it today. I got it. Keep them damn horsies in here. Oh, there's a horsey right there. There she be. So we're eventually gonna get all this dialed up. Trying to either get some dirt in here or we got some equipment that we're just gonna start digging it out. Well, I'm behind you fellers, I'm just riding.
I know. I was just letting him get. That's how we gotta take that turn.
What did he do? Did he go wide on it? I wasn't even paying attention.
It looks like he's a little comfortable today.
Yeah.
Once he gets to 85, he'll be.
Oh, yeah.
I figured I'd let him ride this one more time.
Might as well. You're good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna let Donnie get like half the lap.
Yeah. It's dusty as hell out here. We need to get some water out here. God, it's so dusty, bro. So dusty. Takes a little inside. She's pushing pretty hard. Yeah. All right. How bad is this right now? That shit's slick, too. Oh, it's so slick. God. Dusty. Some water would be killer. All right, now I think we can be a little mobile. Huh? Just T-bone him, right? Just don't even fucking turn.
You ever rode a dirt bike before?
Damn. Up right now. Oh God. I'm gonna try to rail it. No brake. Ah, come on. Come on. Stick in there. Let's... Good? Okay. Fucking breaking bumps right there, boy.
Yeah, I about blew that fucking turn out there, that one up there.
Did you?
Dude, the one on top, it's getting like softer.
Yeah. Oh, in that back corner? Yeah, no, it's pushing through every time. I'm gonna be honest, I think I was the one who fucking blew it out, dude, because I kind of just dumped it.
Well, him and Steve are doing that.
Well, I kind of just came into that corner and fucking...
I'm like, like, dude, stop watching the whole corner. I'm like, get your eyes up.
Well, that's it. The second you like find your line and then you look elsewhere.
Because when you start staring at the
Oh, dude, you're it's expected a good clutch dumpage. Oh, dude, so pumped. You dumbass. How you feeling?
all right.
I'm pumped, dude. I'm fucking so locked up right now. Like, I'm barely hanging on to this throttle right now. It's like,
Dude, this turn's gnarly.
This one's fun, man. That one right there, fuck that turn, bro. I hate that turn so much.
But you gotta think Supercross has something.
Well, no, that's the way it is.
Well, once we can get dirt, build a.
Well, it ain't even so much a berm, dude. It's just like.
Have a berm. We're gonna have to have one.
Oh
this
yeah.
line's gonna come out to here when we have table,
Yeah.
table like we're gonna do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it'll get pushed wide. A bleep, bleep, bleep. That was whip, boy. Ooh. Rolled that gate pin just a tad bit, but that's okay. Yeah, like the amount of fun I have riding this. Ah. Yeah. Ah, you bitch. You bitch. All right, we're gonna fucking hang this to superstar. Oh god, that big ass rock, boy! I was sliding, boy! Whoa, need more speed! Get out of it! This fucking turn right here, boy, is not for the faint of heart! This one's not bad, because you can just get into it looking. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that. Oh, full of dirt? Dude, I know. We need some water. Donnie's riding pretty good. I'll give him that. I'm gonna go fucking try to hang with him if I can. I don't think I can. Not on this thing, anyway. Gotta figure out where he's going. There! Knife that fucking thing pretty hard. Don't tell him that I'm halfway through the track. Da-da-da-da. It's so dusty. We need some water now, bad boys. We need some water. We need some water. Gotta check up super hard. If not, we knife the front. Come out, yup. Yup. Hit the brakes, roll through. Wow, push the front, brother. Well, I'm out wide, but we're rolling now, boys. Watch out for the big fucking boulder to get past it. Peanut butter and jam. Peanut butter and jam. You're a bitch, Donnie.